Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and app, install Joiplay and the exact plugins your game needs so you avoid codec or engine mismatches. Once done, free at least 20% of storage and enable developer options for later tweaks. Make sure to close background apps and disable battery savers. This prevents aggressive task killing. Finally, confirm the APK or game files are intact and placed in a dedicated folder, so you can diagnose performance changes step by step. Now adjust Joiplay's internal settings to balance load and smoothness. Start by setting the frame limit to your display's native rate, like 60 or 30 FPS. This reduces stutter from inconsistent timing. Then enable GPU rendering and lower the resolution scale to 0. 75 when the CPU is the bottleneck, which keeps visuals acceptable while speeding frames. In addition, tweak the audio buffer and choose faster input polling to reduce latency. These small changes directly finish by tuning the system layer for sustained performance. If you can, apply a performance profile or set a conservative CPU governor to avoid thermal throttling. That keeps clocks stable. Once done, test the game. If stutters continue, try a different kernel or update GPU drivers and measure improvements. If things go wrong, check Joiplay logs, clear the app cache, and revert the last change. This single troubleshooting step usually restores a working baseline quickly so you can iterate safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.